Organize, edit, and batch run your Photoshop scripts easily with Script Pilot. With Script Pilot, you can manage your Photoshop JSX and PSJS scripts clearly and efficiently. Categorize your scripts into folders and subfolders. Search for scripts directly within the plugin. Set and manage your favorite scripts. Filter by your favorites. Filter by your most used scripts. Tag scripts and entire folders with 7 different colors. Create new JSX or PSJS script files. Rename your scripts. Create and edit your scripts. Simply launch your scripts with a double click. Move your scripts to different locations. Delete scripts you no longer use. Apply a script to the active document with a simple double click. Script Pilot features a native WebView editor complete with reliable syntax highlighting and smart indentation. Test your scripts before saving them. Add multiple scripts to your custom queue using simple checkboxes. Arrange their execution order via drag and drop. Run the queue on your active document. Use folder automation mode to fully process entire folders. Select the source folder with your images and the export folder where the batch results should be saved. Choose an export format: JPG, PNG, TIFF, or PSD. Script Pilot will automatically open the images, run your scripts, and save the results into a designated export folder. Thanks for watching.